The pilot light! The pilot light is real! That's right, Pilot Light is on Steam and you can wishlist it right now. Also, I should probably address the fact that this is the first devlog I made in half a year. I've just been making the game. I hope that's a good enough excuse. What have I added since then? Well, the project has gone from 59 commits to 170 commits. That's quite a lot of code. How about a crash course on all the important ones? There's a lot of them. Buttons, more particles, new main menu, level select, saving and continuing, Steam Cloud Sync, options menu, saving options, pause menu, new levels, new level textures, new background textures, the first boss, more particles, scripted level hazards, restructuring of all the code to work with singleton, singleton for loading levels, singleton for handling menus, singleton for handling music, new sounds, checkpoints, temporary launch pads, hiding the mouse, more particles, art for the rocket, pixel shader, scaling for weird resolutions, flare cooldown indicator, landing pad indicator, bug fixes, minor improvements, a massive memory leak fix, full controller support, and finally, upgraded to Godot 4.3. All of this in preparation for Steam Next Fest. Starting on October 14, there will be a demo available for everyone to play. It'll include the first 10 levels and the first boss. I actually had the first 10 levels made and playable before I decided to enter Next Fest. It was interesting taking a step back from the major gameplay elements and level design to just polish everything. A demo is like a whole game, just shorter, but getting so much stuff polished up is gonna save me a ton of time in the future. I changed some things majorly, especially how levels are loaded. That would have been so much harder to change if I had just kept making levels. Look at this carrot. It's the carrot. The cosmic astronomical rocket for exploration and transportation. I need to address something as well. Back from the first devlog that I uploaded. Also, controller support. Now I'm allowed to complain about games that don't support controllers because now I know how easy it is to implement. I take it back. I take it all back. Getting controllers to work how you'd expect was a goddamn nightmare. What's the hardest thing about game design? Level design? Coding? Shaders? No, it's getting this fucking prompt to show the correct fucking button for the input device that you're using. This issue took about 2 weeks for me to figure out. Why? Because of fucking Nintendo. Nintendo Switch Pro controllers have the exact same layout as Xbox controllers, but these buttons are swapped for some godforsaken reason. Whenever I have a problem, like any good programmer, I go to Google or Reddit or Stack Overflow and find someone else who had had the same problem as me. But apparently I'm the first person to ever have this problem, and I solved it myself. Go to my website and read about it. I won't get into details in this videos, but controllers are fully supported, and I recommend playing Pilot Light with a controller instead of a keyboard. The boss was fun to make. Would you believe that this is not going to be the sprite in the final game? Anyway, he shoots missiles at you, and they don't kill you when they explode, just knock you around. I actually struggled to beat him during testing. I have plans for 8 more bosses, so programming the AI for them is gonna be fun. Anyway, go wishlist the game, or if you're watching this after Next Fest has started, go download the demo. Let me know what you think in the comments, or the Steam forums, or the new Discord. I probably won't have another devlog until I'm closer to releasing, but I'll be posting updates on Steam and on my website, sourcemaster.net.